Full sell है. Okay. Right now, I think on gold, if you're on sell side, then hold till you're like, where is your stop loss? Yes, yes, hold. So right now gold in consolidation. So right now I don't have any analysis like where should price should go. So wait for hello, hello. Hello, hello, hello. Okay, so let's see GJ. So I'm on GJ. I'm looking for buy side. Let's see. So I'm waiting for price to break this structure. So it will be a confirmation that price can continue to the upside. So let's see. Right now, this is inducement price broke the structure and everything is mitigated over here. So right now, I'm not looking for anything here in this area because it is mitigated. I'm waiting for price to react from this level for sell side. I'm good. I'm good. How are you? On GJ, I think prices is consolation. So on GJ and EU, I'm like not looking for anything. But there is something interesting happening on EU where we can see on internal structure, we can see price have gold. Let's see. Okay. So price reacted from this zone and then it's consolidating over here. But right now, price have created this imbalance. So this is a bullish imbalance because it's going to the upside. So here if you go to lower time frame and so we need to find some kind of inducement or something over here on 5 minute we don't have anything. This is the imbalance. Okay, this is the order block, and if we go to 50 minute we can see this is not mitigated. So right now I think it's better to ignore EU. Let's say euro JPY. I'm looking for buy side here. GJ. On GA we can look for sell side because for higher time frame like on 30 minutes we can see price have induced this high. Price induced this high and then it has created equal lows. So this is the order block which induced this high. So we can look for sell side when price taps this area to the downside. So we can enter here and the next low will be our target. So right now price is creating higher than lows. Gold, I think on gold I'm looking for buy side, but at this area. Okay, so I'm looking for buy side on gold at this area because this order block on 30 minutes induced this low and then created a new high. So I'm waiting for price to react from this area to the upside. Right now, price is just creating liquidity. So on gold, I don't know what price is doing because we can say price is just consolidating over here. But if you have taken sell, then hold. At least if you have taken sell side entry, then hold because we can see price have mitigated this order block and then price reacted from this area. So if price wants to, it can continue the downside. So put your stop loss above this if you are looking for sell side, and the low will be your target. Like these lows will be your target. So if you are not confident, then why are you taking entries if you don't know what you are doing? Right on gold, we can see price have swept these lows, okay, and then broke the structure here. Again, then price induced this low and this was broken to the upside. Again, we can see on 5 minutes, if price breaks this high with candle body, and this is a liquidity sweep on 1 minute. So let's see. So this is on 1 minute. I'm waiting for price to tap this order block so I can look for buy side entry. So this is like 0.5 risk to the upside around this, and the next order block will be our target, this area. And if price continues to the upside, then I'll look for buy side entry, because overall the structure is continuing to the upside. So if this is broken, this low is broken, then I will look for sell side entry. So this is my analysis on gold, and so waiting for price to break this area. And I want to see a bullish engulfing on gold. 2710 point touch on 1 minute. Yes, it's not broken still, so I'm waiting for price to break this. So I'll, because this is a inducement. Okay, so this is a liquidity sweep, and this candle took out the liquidity. So I'm waiting for price to tap this area so it can continue to the upside. So that's what I'm looking for. Okay. If you haven't liked the stream, please like it. So it gives me confidence to show up every day. Okay, so I'm waiting for price to. So this is a scalp trade, like a small trade, because right now we don't have any area where we can look for entries. On 15-minute time frame, we can see we only have this order block where I want to see buy side entry from this to the upside, because this low was taken out. This low was taken out by this low, so I'm expecting a bullish move to the upside. And if this is broken, okay, so if this structure is broken to the downside, then I'm looking for sell side entries. So this is what I'm planning to do, because then we can say price will continue, like this will be a low, high, low, low, lower, low, lower, high, and then something like this. And I think if price wants to go down, probably price will shoot up and mitigate this order block, and then it can continue downside. So I think this can happen. For price to do this is very normal. Like in gold, you can see if price wants to go down, it will probably sweep all the liquidity. Like here we can see price swept all the liquidity and then it started to go down. Let's see. So we want to see a bullish engulfing here, so we can look for entry. Okay. Sorry. Okay. So right now, on Euro SD, we can see. So the difference is, if you are directly waiting for, like, if you have drawn the order block, okay, and you're directly entering on this trade, then probability price will hit your stop loss, because when we are entering, we want to see price creates liquidity before our order block. Okay. So let me show you. Okay. So price already tapped. I think we have news today. I know. I was waiting for buy side entry here. That's what I was explaining. And so what I like to do is, I'll wait for price to, right now I will not enter here. I will wait for price to induce this low, and then it will create new structure. Then I'll decide where to take entries. Okay. I have not entered. That's what I'm explaining. I don't enter directly on the order blocks. If there is news, then I will wait for price to sweep the liquidity. For example, right now, price is consolidating. Okay. So if price sweeps the liquidity from the low side from here and then breaks the high, then probably price will continue to the upside for this week. Okay. Like for at least 2 to 3 days. Then I'm waiting for price to create new structure, induce, and then this will be our fresh order block. Then I'll enter. Okay. Our analysis was correct, but price didn't give us entry. 10:30 p.m. President speaks. Trump speaks. Euro 100 pips, a nice one. Even I don't know what is happening. But if price does something like this before your order block, then it's probably not to enter. Wait for price to sweep the liquidity and then enter. Okay. Okay. If price sweeps the liquidity from here, now broken. And if this low is broken, then now we know that price is continuing to downside. So I'll wait for price to break this high or this low. Then we will know the actual direction of the market. Up or down. So we have to look for price to give us a breakout, right? Right now we can see price is going to the downside on gold, and if price closes below this with a candle body, then probably we will look for sell side. Okay, so we have to wait to find price to stop, and then when it creates a normal price action, that's what I'm looking for basically. GJ, Euro, SJ, everything went to the upside. If you are taken sell side on gold, then exit it. That's why I told you to hold. So right now price is in the phase of inducement. Okay, so if price induces this high and then break structure, then probably we will look for a continuation to the upside. If price sweeps the liquidity from upside and then breaks the low, then probably we will look for sell side entry. So it's simple. We don't have to enter here. Okay, because we don't know if price will hit your stop loss or not, or if you hit your entry or not. On USL, price have induced this high on like induced this low here and then created a new high here, and price created liquidity before the order block and tapped and now gives a change of pattern on 1 hour. So we can probably look for buy side entry. Let's see on 5 minutes. Right now it's continued upside downside, and we have only this order block which is unmitigated. Let's see. 1 minute. If we draw a line from breaker block, we have this unmitigated order block. So price needs to create liquidity here, so we can look for entry. We don't have to catch this fall. Instead of buying this move, we want to get in when price starts to go to the upside here. So we have to wait for price to break this structure and probably move to the upside. If you in buy, get ready to lose some money. I have not buyed. That's what I'm saying. If you are new to this channel, then you don't know like how I trade. I wait for price to create like I will wait for price to induce high or low, and then I'll look for, and then I'll decide if I want to look for buy side or sell side. Let's see on 1 minute. I think price will continue the upside. I think so, because right now price is rejecting from this area. Price has swept this low, so probably I think price will continue the upside from here. Trade low, nahi bro, not now. If you're buying here right now, this is just gambling. But it's only showing sales, brother. No, no, no. This is this will be an inducement of higher time frame. Okay. Let's say what right now on 30 minutes we can see we have almost 20 minutes left. Okay. So we want to see price to like this candle should be closed up or down. We don't know like if price is going to, nobody knows where price is going, right? Nobody knows if price is going to the upside or downside. Right now, only one thing we have in our hand is if price goes to the downside, sweeps the liquidity, it have already swept, and then closes to the upside and creates a new wick to the upside. Okay, so this is a wick, this is a downside is weak, and then candle bodies to the upside, then probably price will continue higher. So we just want to trade this move to the upside, and we don't have to catch here. If you are entering, we don't now have, we don't have any stop loss or take profit. We don't know where we are entering. This will be just gambling if you are buying or selling here in this area. So wait for price to create a new structure. On higher time frame, we can see we have this sort of block. So price just need to, right now there is only liquidity at this part, okay, and price have already swept this liquidity, then price will continue to the upside. Price don't have to mitigate this sort of block and then go to upside. On 1 minute, say let's see how candles are forming. On Euro SD, price have tapped this order block and now it's continuing to downside. Okay, but right now we don't have any structure to work with. If you're just selling here, then probably price will create new high and then you will be stopped out. If you are selling here, then probably we need to see a confirm change of character here and a liquidity sweep, something like this, so we can enter. Right now, it's just gambling if you're selling or buying at this area. If you haven't like the stream, so it gives me confidence to show up every day. Thanks, bro. Thanks. Cooked. I think price will now continue to the upside. Let's see on 30 minutes. Uh, uh, No, bro, I'm part time. Let's see on EU. So this is what I'm talking about. We have to wait for confirmation. Like price will not directly give us a direct entry because it will there will be no V-shaped recovery like this. Price will always create liquidity and then it will be swept by new low and then again it will be swept by new low until and unless there is no liquidity left. Nobody knows what price will do. So don't try to predict the market. Gold will take liquid at 2717 level and no one knows what price will do. We have to wait for price to at least create a direction. If this is broken, then I'm looking for buy side. If this is broken, then I'm waiting for sell side. This like it's as simple as it is. If you're predicting like price will react from my area, that will probably not happen. So on gold, we can see price uh, created this low, induced this low, and now we have this buy side order block. So I'm waiting for price to tap this area, and again I'm waiting for price to look for buy side. If this high is broken, something like this. If this high is broken, and I'm looking for buy side entry here right now. Yes. Same on GU. We can see price with the liquidity. Let's say on 5 minute, 1 minute. Okay. So price swept this liquidity. Now we have this unmetered order block where we can look for entry. And I'm waiting for price to break this structure and create some kind of liquidity before order block. So this will be an entry stop loss below this low. And so I'm waiting for price to create liquidity after this, like highs and lows or consolidation before the order block, and then it will sweep this liquidity. This will be our entry, and the target will be around next high, something like this. 1:6. Let's see. Gold. See, EU we have same trade to the upside. Euro JPY. No, bro, I'm part-time trader. If you haven't liked the stream, please like it. 14 views, only 3 likes. 8 views, only 6 likes. What time is it? Let's say 1 minute. Okay, so I'm closing this stream here. Let's meet tomorrow. On both the entities, we want to see price to create liquidity here, so we can enter. Okay. Chalo, bye, bye, bye.